My name is Sherry Werwinski, and I am the plant leader for the plant here in La Crosse, Wisconsin. When I explain my role to my friends and family, I tell them that I work for the best company that builds the best chillers in the market. And I am the plant leader who builds those chillers and leads that team every single day. What gets me up is having the opportunity to work on the floor and be with the team and set them up for success. Even after 27 years, I keep learning and growing and developing. And I've had the fortunate opportunity to have really good leaders in my journey. In fact, one leader, he got promoted to a senior executive role. And he's like, Sherry, I don't care about a title. Check it at the door. I come to work to win every single day. That's it. To have somebody at that level tell me they just come to work to win every day. And I use that every day. I come to work to win every day. And I tell my team that I promise you we're still winning. Trane's been around for 112 years. It's my job and our job as leaders to develop this team and keep them growing so Trane's around for the next 112 years, because that's the organization, that's who we are.